Fast and steady does too, you know. Alright, move it. Alright. Stick to stick, line up.
Guys, come better you go. Come on, go hard.
Move up, John. Good job, Jake. Who do you follow, Morris?
I'm getting okay.
Okay.
I got okay.
Hey, Jake, I'll tell Russo not to pass it to you very softly like that. The idea is to make a pass, make it go. Go, John, skate! All right, you warmed up now, John? Let's make some passes that are really fast, okay? And keep your feet moving and have fun. Nice pass out front. That was pretty. Way to go. Jake knows where to go, doesn't he? Even Tommy O'Grady can find it.
Yeah.
That's amazing, huh?
What?